This is the Bible scripture for today. James 1 verses 2 to 3. Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. This is the final look for my hair. Saw the process, and so this is her. She is so cute, but again, that shrinkage is still real. This now marks, oh my gosh, am I on 10 months now? Lock. I'm gonna look into it and see how long I've actually been locked for. The follicles, they're folliculing. I'm sure that's not a word. I'm still noticing them throughout my hair. If I decide to change the color of my hair, then what I want to do is something more natural as opposed to chemicals. Even though I'm in my lock journey, the said things that I was trying to avoid when I was a loose natural, I'm still implementing those said things for my lock journey. So nothing has changed, only the fact that I'm locking my hair. I've not really done this before in a sense where I haven't really braided my hair, washed it and braided it. I've literally just kind of styled it. So I caught it up in one and braided the front. So I've never actually done what I showed you in this video. I've never done that before. So this is a first for me. And one of the reasons why I have not opted into doing this is because my hair's not as elongated as yet as I would like for it to be. So what I think would be an interesting thing is to see how long I can maintain the curls like this. And it would kind of be a fun thing to watch as they elongate, see the curls and how they look over time. So we'll see. So that should be something I'm gonna see how long this can last like this. You soon, God willing.
Yeah.
You know that part where I said that I was going to try and put some styles together and see how long the curls, see how long I can maintain the curls? Yeah, didn't do that. For what it's worth, I've only been, you know, just a little bit at the front, just the usual, and 2 little bits at the sides here. And for the back, but I don't wear the claw clip on a regular basis. I usually just take it out and wear a hat. So that's what I've been doing. Like every outfit, I change the hat, but that's that.